Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a TwaidOut using my Uncle Funky's Daughter's products. So I'm starting off with the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. And then I'm going to go in with the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. And then to top it all off, I will be going in with my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So to do this TwaidOut, I'm using medium sections, and I'm taking this medium section and breaking it apart into 3 smaller sections, and then I'm going to braid it halfway down. Once I get halfway down, I'm going to split those 3 sections into 2 and then twist it all the way to the end. So this is my first time trying this style, and I've been seeing it all over social media, and I could not wait to try it out, and I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. So now that I've completed my hair, I'm going to let it air dry overnight, and then I'll be back for the takedown. So here we are the next day, and my hair is dry, and I cannot wait to see the final results. So I'm starting by gently separating the twist that's at the bottom half of my hair, and then I'm going to work my way up to the top and unbraid the top part of my hair. And I'm going to take my time just to reduce any unnecessary or unwanted frizz. But can you guys see that definition coming through already? Yep, this is going to be bomb. So here are my final results. I am loving this TwaidOut using my Uncle Funky's Daughter's products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to check the description box because I do have a discount code where you can save some coins on these products.